We'll use a clip remover tool like this, and then we'll punch in the tool in the corner right there. We'll punch in the tool from all over the edges until the complete window switch cover is pulled out. Once all the edges are pulled out using the tool, then we'll just grab the window switch and pull it outwards. There it is, that is taken out. Behind, there are two plugs. Notice one plug right here and the other right there. This plug has a tab right there. So what we'll have to do is press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. I noticed the plug to be a little stiff, so I had to push it a little hard to pull it outwards. And there's the plug taken out. Again, you have to press and hold this tab and then pull the plug outwards. Similar way we'll do for the other plug. We'll again have to press and hold this tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. For some reason, I noticed this plug was even more stiff than the first plug, and I had to push a little more hard to pull this plug outwards completely. There it is, that's how it's taken out. This separates the complete window switch from the door itself. Again, we'll use the same tool to take out that plastic cover inside the inner door handle. There's the cover taken out. Behind the cover, there is one screw that we need to take out using a Phillips screwdriver. Screw is taken out. Now I'll use a tool like this, and we'll use the tool to take out this plastic cover right there. Carefully punch in the tool underneath and then take out the cover outwards. There's the cover taken out. Behind the cover on the top, there is one screw that needs to be taken out using a Phillips screwdriver. Now screw is loose, but it just got stuck there because of its positioning. We'll leave it like that. Right where we took out this screw, underneath there is one more screw that also needs to be taken out. Now I will use a tool like this and will punch in the tool behind the screw. We'll hold on to the tool from behind and then take it out using a Phillips screwdriver. And just like that, you would notice the screw is taken out. Similar way, we will take out the screw that got stuck at the top, and that screw is also out. Now from the bottom right corner, we will place our fingers and then pull out the door panel. There you notice the door panel is pulled out. Similar way, we will pull out the other bottom side. There you notice the complete bottom side is loose. Now we will need to take out this small speaker side from the top, and will again use this tool to pull it outwards. There you see the complete cover is pulled out. Notice there is one speaker right there, and we need to take out the plug for that. The best way to take it out is just grab the speaker and pull it outwards completely. Speaker is pulled out. We'll keep the cover aside. Then notice there is that plug right there. We will need to press and hold this tab of the plug right there and then pull the plug outwards. There it is, it's taken out. So again, just to show you guys, this is that tab that we have to press and hold and then pull the plug outwards. And we also got the speaker taken out like that. The door panel seems loose. Now we'll grab the door panel and then slightly lift it upwards. Just like that, you would notice the door panel is pulled down. Notice there is that central locking button right there at the front. Behind that switch is actually the plug for it that we need to take out. It also has a tab. Just press and hold the tab and then pull the plug outwards. Plug is out, and this is that tab that I was talking about. Press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. Now you notice the inner door handle has these two connectors from behind, and we will take out the bottom one first. That's pulled out. Now we will just grab the pin and pull it upwards. There, it's pulled out. Same goes for the upper one. We'll pull it outwards first. Once pulled out, then we will just lift up the ending part. For this one, I had to go a little back and forth until I was able to completely pull out the ending part. And there it is, with a little rock and roll, it came out. Just remember one thing, the harness that has the black color circle goes on the top, and the other one that has the white color plastic circle goes at the bottom. Once both of those connectors are pulled out, with that we are done with the takeout of door panel completely. In case if you want to put back the door panel, just reverse the steps of takeout and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.